Good morning, everybody. Well, the snow really did come down overnight. Pretty good. Really heavy. It's a wet snow. I got stopped now, though. We gotta leave for work. Didn't get out of bed quite when I should have. I thought I did. Thought I got out of bed a couple minutes after 4:30, but it was closer to like 4 minutes of 5. Oh, man. Whoops. Oh well. We're going. It's 20 up. We're good. Roads seem to be pretty decent. I'm sure there might be a slick spot here and there, but it is 35 out, so. Yeah, last night when I looked out, I was like, ugh, car's covered. So it snowed pretty good yesterday after dark. But yeah, good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. I'm so excited about going back to work the rest of the week, but hey, just like everybody else. Just I'm on the swing shift this entire freaking week. So much fun. I am so... This is just... This needs to be over now. I didn't even look up and see if that tree was still standing. This heavy snow could have probably taken that thing down. I don't know if they ever showed up yesterday to even look at it. I doubt it. They'll be there today if they came down. Or, yeah, people ain't going to work. Alrighty guys, good afternoon. It has been a fun day. And a little windy, but the sun is out more. Clouds are really cool looking too, so grab the pups, might have a cup of coffee, give myself a little kick, and then we'll head over to the park, take a walk. I was a couple miles short for today for some reason, I don't know. Usually 2,000 steps is a mile, and I got 14, but I only have 6 miles, so I don't get that. Oh, snow is slowly melting. It's 53, so I guess it's melting faster than now. It's kind of warming up finally. 53, that's not too bad. That might not be accurate. The car's sitting in the sun. Get ourselves home and then go to the park. Get the doggies out for a nice little walk. Oh, get some fresh air. That alone might actually wake me up. I'll probably come home and take a nap because. Well, it looks like it did finally go down. It ripped it right up out of the ground. They cut it off already though. Get rid of it. But man, look at the roots. Jeez. Hopefully nobody got hurt. No damage. Alright guys, let's go for a walk. Help of you. Don't tighten anything up, Priya. Come on, let's go. Come on, Mateo, let's go. Come on, Priya. Okay. It is very windy. I mean, 15-20 mile an hour. I mean, the sign is shaking. I know. Alright. I'm dragging you, Priya. We're walking. Come on, guys. Let's get this going. Let's get doing. Frame the lens of the other one. I do have the chest mount set up so I can get an idea of how, on a long-term thing, how well it works. I have it on the ultra wide right now. For some reason, I flipped my watch over and now I can't control the zoom. I don't know what the hell's going on there, but it's very frustrating. But I guess we're gonna have to watch for flying tree branches because there's a bunch of debris on the ground here. So hopefully the microphones are working. I think the other day they came undone again. Not sure how that's happening, or if the cable's starting to get messed up from hooking up like this. I really wish I could get a right angle one that was a digital cable, but road doesn't make it. Alright, let's settle. Hello. Come on, let's go, Brad. Oh shit, part of the tree fell. That's sad. Boy, that's looking like that's gonna come down. Come on, guys, keep moving. I don't remember that leaning quite that far over. I think that's starting to snap loose. One of these days that's going to be laying across. And part of the cherry blossom here is down. Huge branch fell from it. Boy, these winds have just been relentless. Not been a very calm spring, that's for sure. Oh, there's a tree that's broken. Jesus. This is devastation over here. Wow. That's sad. You gotta be really careful when you're out around trees in these high winds. Any moment, snap. It's gonna take some cleanup. Alright. I'll put you guys up on the shoulder here. Oh man, another one destroyed. Back to the center cam. I think it's moving away too much. Without seeing it, I don't want to keep recording there. Another one just totally wrecked. Jeez. Fucking winds have been. Told you they were bad. Yeah, you can sniff the top of a tree, Priya. I'd be able to do that ever before, have you? That's a bummer. It's broken up pretty bad. Alright. I'm sorry, go pee on it. Every day you can pee on the top of a tree, Mateo. Especially with your short little stature. Get out from under my feet then. Alright, one last configuration. Now it's mounted at the bottom instead of on the top of the case. Come on, Fran. Well, let's walk. Shoulder mount, bottom mount to the top. Oh, my car might get crushed. This wind is just too much. I'm calling it. I don't even know if you're going to hear me even with the microphones on. It's that bad. It is right in our face right now too. It is relentless. And then when it, like right now it's calm, but when it picks up, oh man. Yeah. We're going to call it a windy day. Come on, Priya, let's keep moving, Bubby. Come on, I know. You're excited. But we are going to go home and get safe. That's really cool looking. However, it is snowing again. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's coming down pretty good right now, straight at the camera. It's just kind of weird, but that sky, that is just something else. Really weird. It must be that. Yep, snow flying right at the lens. Good boy. Yeah, you getting little man out to go potty? We're watching the Hate game or something like that. Yeah.